Hi, my name is Raquel Donahue. I'm a reference and instruction librarian at John B. Coleman Library for Prairie View A&M University. In this short video, I'm going to show our library patrons how to perform searches in OneSearch, our university library's discovery search service. I'm going to begin by navigating to the university library's website at www.pvamu.edu/library. In the center of the library's homepage, you'll see a single white search box. This is OneSearch. It's the default entry point for our discovery search interface. A discovery search, sometimes referred to by librarians as a discovery tool, discovery product, or discovery service, is a search that allows library patrons to search many of the library's online resources at once. OneSearch has technical limitations and it cannot find everything that our library offers, but it does a good job of casting a wide net if you're not particular about which database, resources, or publications you source your results from. It can retrieve text-based results such as ebooks and articles, record pages for cataloged print resources and government documents available online, also video files, audio files, images, and more. It can comb through many of our databases and collections, though not all, at once, and is an excellent tool for starting your research. For the sake of demonstration, I'm going to perform a topical search using the keyword nutrition. I realized quickly that nutrition is too broad as a standalone search query. I'm going to give the search system another relevant search term to consider. I'm going to modify my search query to nutrition or diet to see if it improves my search results. By adding the Boolean operator or in all capital letters, I'm telling the system to retrieve search results that contain either search term. By capitalizing the Boolean operator, I'm ensuring that the search algorithm recognizes that OR is a Boolean operator, not a search term. Its purpose is to indicate the relationship between the available search terms. In this way, I make sure the system does not search and retrieve resources just because they contain the word OR. Again, I realize that this search string is still too broad. I want to narrow my search results, so I'm going to modify my search to nutrition or diet and vegan or vegetarian. Using the parentheses allows me to isolate the additional variables that I am introducing to my increasingly complex search string. With this search string, I'm telling the system to retrieve any results that use the word nutrition or diet in conjunction with the term vegan or vegetarian. Again, my Boolean operators are capitalized so that they are not treated as individual search terms. I can see by skimming my search results that this is starting to provide more specificity. Now, I'm going to make use of the filters on the left-hand side of the search interface to narrow my results even further. Right now, full text is already selected for me. This means that I have excluded any bibliographic or record-only resources in our collections where the full text is not immediately available. Also, I only want resources published in the last 10 years. I'm also only interested in news, academic journals, and ebooks for the purpose of this demonstration. I'm going to move down to the section called Source Types and click on Show More in order to do this. Then select Update. I can see by skimming my updated search results that these are resources I can work with. You can use as many or as few filters as you like. However, the ones I've demonstrated here are among the most popular. If you need to also filter your search results to peer-reviewed content only, be sure to check that filter box. Peer-reviewed content is almost always found in scholarly and academic journals, and it's work that has been authored by experts and evaluated by peer experts within the same field as a quality metric for publication. Know that selecting this option will eliminate popular news sources or multimedia from your search results. Discovery and database searches that use a single search box are using the basic search mode, a common default for many library resources online. However, library patrons always have the option to utilize advanced search mode. You can see that both the default entry point for OneSearch on the library homepage and the search results interface allow us to switch our searching to advanced search at any time. Neither search mode is better or worse. It is simply a matter of user preference. Note that because I don't have enough search fields here for all my search terms, that I'll have to click this plus sign to add another box. I have nutrition or diet and vegan or vegetarian. Some users prefer typing out their search strings, and others prefer the convenience of dropping search terms into the appropriate boxes and then selecting the Boolean operators from the available drop-down buttons. Honestly, you should just use the search mode that works best for you. You may find yourself switching between both search modes until you learn which is the more natural fit. Thanks for watching my short video on how to use the OneSearch Discovery tool at PVAMU Libraries. If you have any questions or need help using the PVAMU library resources, please don't hesitate to contact us via online chat, telephone, or email. Our general contact information for the library is always available on our homepage. Happy searching!